arrive in style with this Mercedes-Benz 2016 E-Class E350. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle's top features include steering wheel mounted controls, voice recognition controls, memorized settings includes driver seat, phone hands-free, stability control, driver information system, driver attention alert system, security anti-theft alarm system, impact sensor, fuel cutoff and multi-function display. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.